Hello everybody, today I want to tell you about how to check Facebook messages with our messenger on iPhone. I have one option for you. Maybe this is great for you or maybe not, but you can use your Safari or your Google account, your Google Chrome. Okay, here you can write Facebook, okay, and open. Remember, always open in a new tab. Okay, open in a new tab, and here you can open your Facebook and check your message. It's so easy and really fast, and you don't need a log in your account always. With one time you can make this and then open your Safari again, and your account is safe here. It's so easy and really fast. Okay, it's another option. And this is all for this video. Sorry for my bad English. I hope that this information works for you. If you want, if you can let me know, comment in this video or with a like. Sorry for my bad English. I know that is awful. I just want to get more experience when speaking. Have a good day. See you later.